of the cool kids code on black. That is how you know you are dealing with a true professional. Hi, my name is Mike Kureth. I began programming at the age of 7. In 1987 on a Commodore 64. By reverse engineering games. Unfortunately, most of my games and projects have been lost. Luckily, one of the 45 diskettes recovered contained some game components. My brother and I wrote for the 1992 unreleased cult classic, Amazing Adventure. Let me show you some of the awesome wonders from the past. We can start by loading the only working disk found from 1991. Let's see what we have on here. The first example loads and saves game scores. This code was used to load and save progress in a game as well. Quite amazing, if I must say so myself. Let's add some sound design to our super cool game. Oh, damn, so amazing. Let's hear some more. Just listen to that 8-bit gun sound effect though. Here is another gun effect. Let's hear that again. Now, we will add some more sounds to our game. Oh, my, so amazing. Now, we will see some of my sprite and character creations. Just look at that beautiful code. This was just a proof of concept. The final characters are on another disk. Let's see some frame color effects. Wow, it doesn't get much better than this. What if we want to see the effects of an explosion? Excellent question, let me show you. That was so amazing. Let's see it again in slow motion. Let's end the presentation with some state-of-the-art animations. Game of the Year in the making. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please come again.